Huh? Is this Thai? It's a stylish cafe sign you often see around town in Thailand. But what does it actually say? There are only two reasons why you can't read it. In this video, I'll share a simple tip to help you start reading them. The first reason you can't read it is the font. For example, take this word. At first, you have no idea what it says. But when you switch it to a standard font, oh, it says cafe, meaning coffee. When you look it up, you often find out it's actually a word you already knew. Even with Thai fonts that look distorted, you can sometimes read them if they're words you already know. For example, take this one. It looks a bit squished at first, but then you realize, it says cafe, meaning coffee. Have you ever found Thai letters that look like English alphabets and become unreadable? For example, this letter is Ta Tahan, which represents the sound T in Thai. But depending on the font, it can look like the English letter N, and you might mistake other Thai letters for N as well. These kinds of mix-ups are what make Thai text seem difficult to read. Did anyone manage to read this word even though it looked distorted? Actually, that's because your brain automatically filled in the gaps. The human brain tries to recognize familiar words, even when they're a bit deformed. In other words, if you know Thai words, you'll be able to read them, even when the letters look distorted. It's okay if you feel like you can't read Thai at all. There's no need to rush. Even if you can't read it at first, as your vocabulary grows, you'll naturally start to understand it. That's because your brain automatically fills in the words you already know. So the fastest way forward is to keep learning more words. Don't worry if you can't read yet. Just take it one step at a time. The shortcut to learning Thai is to start with the words you see most often. For example, words you often find in cafes. Cafe, menu, raka, price, baht. Once you connect the Thai words with their meanings in Japanese, you'll naturally start to read signs and menus. So let's get used to Thai little by little, starting with familiar words. Design fonts have a unique look, and you almost never need to write them. So don't worry if you can't write them. What matters is being able to read them. If you can read the word cafe, that's more than enough. The reason you can't read Thai signs is because the fonts look different and you don't know the words yet. But don't worry, just start by learning the words you see most often. You don't need to be able to write design fonts. It's enough if you can read them. As your vocabulary grows, you'll start having more moments like, oh, I've seen this word before. And that will boost your confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. See you again in the next video.